Welcome to another episode of Ken Fashion Journey. Today I'm taking the opportunity to talk about the straw bottle. As you can see, summer is already coming to an end very soon and fall will be flipping over. And I better take this golden opportunity to share with all of you some short story about the straw bottle. Because if I didn't share it now, then I will have to wait till the next season, next year to share it. But straw bottle is interesting because straw bottle, the hat which I'm wearing right now, as you can see, and also this is another version, it is really a forgotten hat. In fact, the straw bottle was first introduced in the late 19th century to the early 20th century, whereby it is very popular. And in fact, the bottle, this particular hat, it got the inspiration from those gondoliers, which is the canoe gentleman who is steering their gondoliers in the waterways of Venice. And they wear a hat like this straw bottle, which is very lightweight, which is what I'm wearing, and then they have a ribbon to tie around it. And every gondolier, they have their own colors, so their ribbon, which they tie along on the straw bottle, will represent their family color, or maybe represent their clan color, or maybe represent their business color. And that is really very interesting. So what happened is that the straw bottle is made of sennit straw. What is a sennit straw? Sennit straw is just some very lightweight straw, and then they braid it around to make it very hard and tough. So what happened is that I am wearing this particular one, which is a traditional straw bottle, which is very lightweight and in a lightweight sennit straw. But what is the classic one which I'm going to share with you is this particular straw bottle, whereby I have it in my hand right now, and this is the classic straw bottle. And I would like to invite you to come and check it out and have a closer look. Now, what I have before me is the classic straw bottle. This particular straw bottle, what I love it very much is because it comes in a navy gold grain band with white stripes. Traditionally, the straw bottle, it will normally comes in a navy and a red and a navy combination band, which is very normal and cliche as it is predictable. And why I like this particular straw bottle is it comes in a navy and blue stripe band, which is unique. So what is the occasion to wear this straw bottle? Foremost, this straw bottle is a summer hat, and it is a semi-formal hat. A semi-formal hat means that you can wear it with a very smart lounge suit, and also you can wear it with a blazer, and also for the evening you can wear it with a tuxedo. And traditionally, this straw bottle is being worn in rowing occasion. Let's say like in the Harvard and Oxford, their rowing competition, you will spot gentlemen wearing this straw bottle with navy blazers and white trousers. This particular straw bottle whereby I have is from Brooks Brothers, and it makes in the very classic, very stiff sennit straw, as you can have a closer look, and it is made in Italy. A real good quality straw bottle. So where have I worn this straw bottle? I have worn this when I walk in the streets of Singapore. I walk in the street in Hong Kong, in Japan, in New York, and in Boston. And if you really want to stand out from the crowd, you can always wear this straw bottle with a lovely suit or a blazer with a pair of white trousers and with a pair of white bucks, and I'm not surprised that you'll be stopped by somebody along the street and they will want to take a photograph with this good looking smart gentleman with the straw bottle. Well, as summer is drawing close, should any one of you have a straw bottle, please take it out and wear it. You can also wear it, you can also look smart with an Oxford shirt and also with a Bermudas, just to spot a very preppy look, or you can also straight away go to the shop or go online to get yourself a straw bottle, and let us take this opportunity to revive this lovely and classic hat, because this straw bottle is really very famous and it has been worn and popularized by Fred Astaire and also Harold Lloyd. So I look forward to see you in the next episode of Ken Fashion Journey. Should you like my channel, please press the subscribe button, and I look forward to see you again next week. Bye.